Hello everyone, this is my enhancement number 6, and first I'm going to show you my admin view. So in the PHP code of this view, we are checking our session. If the session is started, we create a list with the client data that is stored in the session. So we get this data and then display it in a list, and this list is saved in the user data variable, and this variable we are making an echo of this variable in our main view, in the part of main. So if the session is not started, we redirect when we want to, if someone want to access to this view, the admin view, and the session is not started, we redirect the user to the PHP Motors default view, that it is the home view. So only if the session is not started. So here when the session is started, we get the data and we create a list and we echo the list in our main. Then we check if the level is greater than 1. If the level is greater than 1, we are going to add the vehicles management view for the user, for the client, and the client can add a new classification or new vehicle, but only if the user level is greater than 1. Okay, so this is the first point of the objective. So now we're going to show our link. Okay, this is the link of my account. Okay, we click it and I'm going to log in. You can see that the link my account is replaced with the welcome Hatsiri message and the logout link here in this part. So even if I go to home or other home, when I click the welcome Hatsiri message, it takes me to the admin view. The admin view is the default view of my account's folder. So here is my this is the welcome Hatsiri link. Okay, the admin view. Now so here Hatsiri, as you can see, Hatsiri, this client, her level is 1, so we cannot access to the vehicle management view. You can see here the link to the vehicle management. Okay, so I'm going to log out and I'm going to log in with the user that has the level 3. Okay, so you can see the admin user, his level is 3. So we can see here that this text I put here, if the level is greater than 1, echo the inventory management and use this link to manage the inventory and the vehicle link. So when I click the vehicle link, I can access to the vehicle management view, and the add classification, add a vehicle. Okay, so here's our client with a level of 3. So now, and if we want to access to the vehicle management, new vehicle or new classification view, if for a session like we're not started the, and when we are log out when we okay, and if I want to access to my vehicles view, it redirects me to the PHP Motors home default view. So I cannot access to the view directly, like the add classification or view add vehicle. We cannot. And if we are like the client level, like number 1, we cannot access to that views either. Okay, PHP Motors vehicles, no, or view add classification, no, or view vehicle, tampoco either. So if if I access with this and I want to access to the vehicle view vehicle, I can access because their level is 3. So here is my code for the extra credit. Like if the session is not started, or client level, the client of the level is equal to 1. Well, I have a code here, but here is our PHP Motors default view. Like we redirect the user to the PHP Motors, and in the add vehicle I have the same code, and in the add classification view too. Okay, so now let me see. Okay, now here's my web validator without any error, contrast error or alerts, my HTML validator, and my CSS validator. And here is my responsive, like here. So I think it's all for this enhancement, and thanks for watching, and see you next week.